Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Today I'm going to show you this sweet and delicious fluffy pancakes, or they call it souffle pancakes or Japanese pancakes. In a large bowl, we're going to beat 2 egg yolks. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Whisk it together until well blended. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, and half teaspoon baking powder. I'm going to whisk it until well combined and frothy. Next, I'm going to sift 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into the bowl. Now I'm going to whisk it until well incorporated, but be careful not to over-mix it. These fluffy Japanese pancakes are also known as souffle pancakes. They are jiggly mini cakes. Unlike normal pancakes, the recipe will require more ingredients and a more complex method of cooking. Now we're going to work on the meringue. So I've put in 2 pieces of egg whites and I'm using a handheld mixer to beat the egg whites. When it starts getting frothy and pale white, gradually add the sugar. Continue to beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. You will know that it's ready. When you lift the whisk, it should go straight up firmly and the tip bends over. The meringue should look glossy and firm. The meringue needs to be stiff and dense. This will help your pancakes to be fluffy. If you overbeat the egg whites, it will break into pieces. Now if you underbeat, it won't have enough air to make the pancakes fluffy. Now we're going to combine them together. I'm going to gradually add 1/3 of the meringue into the butter. Whisk it fast until well combined. Next, add half of the meringue and gently fold it without breaking the air bubbles. For this method, I'm using a balloon whisk to fold the meringue to ensure it is thoroughly mixed. Continue adding the remaining meringue and gently mix it well. Now it's time to cook. So I heat the pan over medium heat. Grease it with 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Then I'm using a paper towel to grease it evenly and remove excess oil. When the pan is hot enough, lower the heat. Using a small ladle, scoop the butter and place it on the pan. Now I'm going to pile it up vertically high by adding more butter, putting at least 3 to 4 scoops. Repeat the same step to create 3 pancakes. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 3 minutes. If you still have some butter left, you can add it on each pancakes. Next, I'm going to sprinkle a teaspoon of water on the empty spaces of the pan to create a steam and cook for another minute. Now I'm going to lift the pancakes using a spatula and gently flip over with rolling over motion. Add more water again for steaming and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until nicely brown and the sides of the cake are firm. It's done, so I'm going to transfer it into a serving plate. Lastly, I'm going to decorate it with butter, fresh fruit, and syrup. This is our fluffy Japanese pancakes. It tastes really good, and I hope you can try this recipe. So that's how we make fluffy pancakes. So this is a bit tricky, but the key is the heat, how you beat the eggs, and I'm sure you'll be able to perfect this. So practice makes perfect. Just keep on practicing and you will be able to do this, okay? So thank you guys for watching. If you have any suggestion that you would like me to do on my next video, just comment it below. And don't forget to click on subscribe, tap the bell icon so you can receive notification on our latest video. Visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com where you can get all the recipes that we have on our channel, and follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV 1. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!